Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing a full face of makeup. So I start by moisturizing my face. Then I just like to go in with my sunscreen. Once that's done, I'm just going to go in with some setting powder to create a base before applying any makeup. Now I'm gonna start with my eyebrows. If you guys want a detailed eyebrow routine, please check out my eyebrow tutorial. I'll have it linked down in the description box.
Would you cry or would you try to get me? Tell me now, I want me to be clear. Tell me now, I need you to be clear. I won't wait for you, I won't wait for you. I won't wait for you. I won't wait for you.
Once my eyebrows are complete, I'm just going to go in with some concealer to prime my eyelids. And I'm going to go in with the Moira's Meant to Be palette, and I'm going to start applying my eyeshadow. If you guys want a detailed video on how I created this eye look, please leave a comment down below and I'll be happy to do that for you guys. Now I'm just going to go back in with some setting powder and I'm just going to start applying my foundation. I'm going to blend with a beauty blender. Now I'm going to start contouring with my LA Girls Pro Concealer in the shade Espresso. And I'm just going to blend that all in with a beauty blender.
Running back from all the pain and violence. Big tunes, now it's big tunes, I'm kidding. Cry now from the side, now come on in. Fall down when you see me, you know that I was there for you. I won't wait for you, I won't wait for you.
And now I'm going to go in with my lighter concealer. I'm just going to add some eye contouring along my nose, under my eyes, my forehead, and on my chin. I'm just going to go in with the first beauty blender and blend that in. Then I'm going to follow up with an even lighter concealer along my nose, along the center of my under eyes, and the center of my forehead. Just going to blend that all in. Now I'm just going to clean my lips and apply some setting spray. And I'm going to start by lining my lips with a brown liner and I'm just going to go in with this pink lippy pencil to fill in the rest of my lips. Don't forget to set under your eyes once the setting spray is all dry. And we're just going to go ahead and highlight my cheekbone area and along my nose. Now I'm going to fill in my lips with the lippy pencil. We're going to apply some lip gloss, and here is the finished product. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next one. Bye.